want to have to restart. Yes. Over there, have your turtle is a kid. Always is you have your turtle and cat girl. Actually, my girl is hey, really a chuck. Not for you. Now I can't believe that you but let's start. Oh. Now he's a you cut the car. Really? No. That's yes. Or you cannot get head joy. And the other play hand no. I can't even do it. This is my team. Okay, wait, where's my son? Is it California? Nah, it is. No, right, hit. Let me see. Turn on that. Son, what are you doing? We joking. What not the honey tigers? You will be die of them. Or you say have a new pet is not here anymore. It is not. Nick hate. No, I will. This is for you. And they'll hold their swords. Me for well. Oh, go, yeah, here. It's Mr. Really, oh, I got the door. Oh, this. And hey, son, what are you doing? Oh, you oh, ow. That's it. You can have. Oh, stop saying you're powerful so much. Oh. Wake up. Where are you? No. Alright. What? Let go. No. I got this stick. Yeah. Hi. Hi, that's a hundred. They care. I'm Toy Story 100. Yeah. Oh. Now the cats lay down and funny. Wait. Oh, you. I'm going to talk to the ribs of the hill. And I am Spider-Man. Or Stop calling me Iron Spider. Others would. I really intend to get Australia then hitting hard. No, guy. Yes, of course. No, let me go. Okay. Why are you doing this? I'm Spider-Man, and I don't think it's how it is. How are you Spider-Man? And that's just... What are you kids doing? Yes, but on the whole... Yeah, I'm Spider-Man, and I am huge. I'm a perfect, and I am a alligator. Yes, and need your help. Why I need your help? Because that's because the kingpin does do it homeboy as it causing reporters faster. Okay, let's go. Will you help us? Okay. Alright, hey! Wah! We are happy. On you switch the one. Oh, the other please. Really that. Oh, yeah, but okay. Don't TP. Just only brought the chip yet. You would have fixed it. You would really had it. Huh? Yeah. Oh, he's coming. Good night. Ready your memoirs? Don't forget to hide between Spider and men. You're right. Others. Of course. Ends now. Think what's wrong with this city? Destroy you. And that orders. Why? You are the deaf boy. They step here. That the clock is smaller. Are you down? He really back it. Here the what you need to do? You die. Your die is already silver. Again, all this blood. Say, get out of this. Wait. Oh, God. Go, Spider-Man. Here. Not. Why you want it to explode, huh? Why is it explode? That go around. It does like believe in me. Prototype. Yes, it's me. Prototype. Yeah. I really at the experiment. And the experiment. I really. Oh, the character is that was only in hand. Not in his hand. Hey, why you can't join with team? Team. Okay, I'm a spider and I'm not the bird. I used to truthful. But you can't join the pit. Okay. My name is Peter. You can call me Mr. Peter. Alright, Mr. Peter. Now, let's go out. Have my revenge. Wait, really? Oh, what's that? What are you? We are Venom. We are Venom? You're Venom? Yes, I'm Venom. And you can't take it. How big it is. You can't handle it. Quill. Who are you? I'm Vulture. It does this. Anyway. Sinistrous! Oh. Okay, that's it, buddy. This is me. We are Venom. And this is Vulture. This is Dogga Davis. We know. And Sam. Well. Or you can join it. Where are you seeing? What? I am this product of Prototype. What is Prototype? Is that little green hand at all? Well, please say, oh, wrong note fair. What? There's this. Well, you can join us. We'll be Sinister 6. And you can not join. We'll keep it fun with it. My prototype. It's not you cool leader. I get cake with his. And it hurts. Or you can't have it. Okay. Okay, go. Do I really hit that time? Oh. Alright, just a second. Let's back up so you see. Not up. What the heck did you get? Let's get up. Hi guys. What? Look at it. Okay, relax. What? This is Mr. Peter. And he's Spider-Man. I am Spider. Are you Spider? What the? I'm Spider. I am the hero. I am the too huge. And I will then find the villains. And because Francis helped me to defeat the Kingpin. And Black Human was stronger. Stronger? Yes. And Archer. George. Why you can't join with team? Why you can't join with team? Why you can't join with team? No, this is mine. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. Oh, fine. Okay, I get to restart turn. Don't. Wow, we don't. What's that? Is that a cone really stored the way? The wing! Vulture? What is vulture? Okay, here are birds. And that you get fat like minute. What? Can you get your cancer? Yes. Get in the fire! Oh, that's this. I don't know what's there. Oh, you make it to. Okay. See how does it do? I could hot first. You got to do a whole. I got to do a sign. You got to get to it. Hot to gaze up. I really were hard to get through the house. I need 10. I make stuff. Yeah. Why the bombs are there? Everything. Yes. Oh! Doc and that fear. I'm really Spider-Man. Why you get all the TVs? Why you did all the explosions out there? Ah! Oh, that one. Yes. Why you can't you how to start? Hey, steady cat. Why you join me team? No. Why you can't join me? No. Okay, what is you were oh, fine. Wait. Okay, get highly. Why you calling me a dry? Hey. Search for a holy roll. No. 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 Ow. Now we get the cats. We get the cat. Oh, here are the birds. And the cars. Here. And don't really capture. Let's capture. A few moments. Capture the birds and Spider-Man later. No! It's getting already better. Now we're pissed. Why did the girl on his head? What did the kid? No! My girl is Spider-Lois! Now I have to mine. Whoa. And then I might sigh and no. And they carry penny and you can see your sat. One yourself. And then no, you ruined my girl. Eat. No. Sorry, Spider-Man. There's no way. Now was destroy. Oi! 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 Stop it! Your heart really started. And I think it's why you kidding? Are you gonna pay for that to go your color? Gotta pay for it. You do. Oh, alright. Ah! Ah! What's that? Ah, my ear! Continue.